Hello, rep students. This is Dr. Smith here to talk to you today about vibration. We're going to use vibration to create music. So how we're going to do that is we are going to fill one glass almost all the way up to the top. We're going to do one half full, or about half full, and one empty. So the first thing we need to do is to compare the sound of each glass. So the first one, all you need is a spoon. The first one, this is what it sounds like. This is a full glass of water. Now let's compare it to the second glass. Which one is deeper? Has a deeper sound. The first glass has a deeper sound than the middle glass that has only half water in it. And the reason is because vibration, actually when the cup that has water in it, the water slows down the vibration on the glass. The middle one has less water. So it makes sense that the one with less water is slowed down a lot less. So that means that it can vibrate faster and it gives it a higher sound. So the glass that is full has a deeper sound because the vibrations are slowed down by the water. The one that has less water, it's only half full, the vibrations aren't as slow and it gives it a higher sound compared to the full glass. What do you think the empty glass will sound like? There's no water to slow down the vibration. So if the vibration is faster, it will give it a higher sound, or it should give it a higher sound. Let's see. And it does give a higher sound. So let's review what we've done so far, and then we'll try to see if we can come up with a song by adding a few more glasses, okay? So here's the full glass, half full glass, and the empty glass. All right, so now what I'm going to try to do, let's see if we can, I know my son, when he was in band and he first started, they did this song called Hot Cross Buns, which was very simple song for people that are just beginning, and we're just beginning. So let's see if we can do Hot Cross Buns. So I'm going to fill up a glass that's between these two as far as the amount of water, and we'll see what that sounds like. Not too much though. Let's add a little bit more. If you're not familiar with hot cross buns, you'll know when I'm finished. That sounds like more like hot cross buns. If you know it, sing along. We've done it. Now, let's see if we can create a little bit of a scale. So a scale goes up in half to whole steps. So if you're not a musician or you're not familiar with what a scale is, you're going to find out soon. So let's see. Uh-oh. I don't know if we can do it. We might need to fill this one up a little bit more so that we can get all of the glasses in here. little bit in this one. That one's off. We want it to be a little bit higher, I think, so I added more water. Actually, I think I said that a little backwards. That's better. You guys should be able to have fun with this at home. If you change the material that the glass or the container is in, you'll change the sound also. I think we did it. That sounds about right. So I want you to remember when you're doing this, that the more water you have, the deeper the sound. The highest sound is going to be the empty glass. The other thing that you can do is you can change glasses if you're trying to come up with a complicated song. You can try that also, the shape, and maybe see what it sounds like if you add other objects to the water. Solids maybe, that type of thing, okay? So now we're gonna talk about the science of this, okay? So stay tuned. So when we were creating the sounds, we were hitting the spoon against the glass, which then created a vibration. The vibration went through water, and based on how much water was in the glass, it could slow down the vibration. So the more water, the slower the vibration. And it created a deeper tone or a deeper sound. So as the water traveled through, as the vibration traveled through the water, it also, the sound would travel through the air, through air molecules, to other air molecules, more air molecules, to your ear, and the vibration would bounce off of your eardrum. So the vibrations here were affected by the water, went through the air to your ear, and bounced off of your eardrum. This is how we get sound. This is a simple explanation of vibration and sound. I would encourage you to do a search on sound waves. Use sound waves as the actual search, and you can find visual representations of sound waves and what they look like. It'll give you a great idea of how sound actually moves, okay? This is all that I have for vibration. I hope that you all enjoyed this. This is something you can Definitely play around with at home, see what kind of songs you can come up with, how you can change around the glasses, or if you want to use plastic, whatever it is you want to do, and get the entire family involved. I look forward to seeing what you all come up with. Maybe you'll put up a YouTube or share with Rap, however you can, so that I can see what you've done. And in the meantime, I encourage you to continue to exercise your mind as well as your body. Have a great day.